First of all, I want to thank BW for organizing this wonderful event and for having me here as part of this event. And I'm Kannan. I head the products and data engineering at M2P. M2P FinTech is a API infrastructure company. We are based out of Chennai. Most of the panelists from the startups that you saw here are partnering with us to power some of their financial platforms, their payment systems. That's what M2P is all about, right? So we offer API infrastructure to power fintechs, and we also work closely with a lot of banks to enable seamless experiences for customers. So I know that I am standing between you and your lunches, so I'll probably try to make this as quick as possible. Right. So API platform is probably the most important but underappreciated technological advancement in the iPhone era. Right. So we probably are not even aware of how API platforms are transforming our lives. Uh, so we are so used to services like Uber, Swiggy, UPI, but we don't really realize that the API platforms that are powering these experiences are actually doing the magic just behind the scenes and not being seen by everyone. So what we, especially in a country like ours, the thought process is always to build things ground up rather than trust a third party, consume their APIs and build products on top of it. So there are multiple challenges that businesses and companies run into when they take this approach. One of the important challenges is they spend time um, building stuff that is not the core of their business, right? And they also spend a lot of time catching up with any regulation related changes or technology related advancements that are happening around the world, and they continue to play the catch up game if they are not using a robust API platform, right? So us being an API platform, we usually see a lot of customers who come to us saying, why do we have to use your API service? Why can't we just build this on ourselves, right? So this is something that is quite common that we are seeing. So, but uh, I'm a huge fan of Batman. So I always keep telling my team that the API platform that we are building is not one that fintechs or banks will need, but is what they deserve, because they are actually doing waging the whole holy war of customer acquisition. Right? We should empower them with whatever APIs that are required. The most flexible, the most robust APIs that are out there in the industry is something that we always want to offer, and that is something that every API platform in the industry is also looking to offer its customers. There are multiple benefits to using an API platform. The first thing that comes to my mind is faster time to market. So if your business is using already existing APIs to build your business logic and go about building an application that serves your customer, you will probably go faster to market than most of your competitors. And second thing is it increases a lot of it increases the productivity of your teams. So once you have an API integration done, you could reuse it across multiple products that you want to launch, multiple business use cases that you may come across. And it also improves the collaboration among your team, among the API platform ecosystem that is created in the industry. So what you will be able to see is a lot of new ideas coming up as you start integrating with the API platform, because they constantly keep evolving, and there may be some use cases that you are not even thinking of. Because of the API platform available, you are able to reimagine some of those journeys for your customer and create better experiences. Uh, the other thing is what we see when we closely work with a lot of financial institutions like traditional banks and NBFCs is they're all going through their own journeys of digital transformation, right? So they want to get out of their existing legacy system, because that is usually something that hinders innovation, and they are not able to move faster on getting products into the hands of their customers. So integrating with API platforms probably helps financial institutions to get better agility and improve their time to market. Uh, the other most important thing that comes to mind is keeping up with the regulations, right? At least in India, in the financial space, the regulations keep changing every now and then. So it is probably best to invest and integrate with some API platform that is fully focused on being compliant and who will take the responsibility of making sure that your business is not hindered because of any regulation changes that are happening. And so those are the key benefits that I can think of when I think about somebody trying to integrate with an API platform. And so API platforms, while they are probably underappreciated, but the importance of that is felt across the industry, right? Everybody feels the need to have an integration with a robust API platform to power their businesses. So we are seeing the growing need across a lot of businesses, across a lot of domains, trying to focus on their core businesses and integrate with a lot of API platforms to do additional functions that are not their core business. Right? So that said, what I want to leave you with is API platforms uh, power not just your business, but it also takes care of it is a trusted partner for you to take care of other operational related activities where you don't want to invest a lot of time and energy, other focus all your efforts in growing your business. API platforms are the way to go. Thank you so much.